guys, thank you for watching today. What we got going on is we got some photos from the kids of the travels and the adventures, because they're gonna write thank you notes to you, our people who help us be able to do this. Because it's awesome being able to have our teams go in, clean houses, do homes, and to be able to support their families and support my kids too. They really enjoy it because it's a lot of fun. Yes, there's a lot of hours, a lot of extra time, but we'll show you guys some of the photos coming right up. So right now we're heading into the Troy Walgreens, and let's get going. Must not get distracted, must not get distracted. We're here for photos, not foodos. No, Sarah. I know. What do you want? What do you think you're wanting over here?
It's a Sharpie.
A Sharpie?
A Sharpie.
Sharpie? The last time I saw one of those us buy them was at a Walgreens in
New York
City. New York, yeah. You could get a Snuggie tail. A Snuggie tail. Wouldn't that be so great? A hug. I wonder if that's your size. What?
She looks 5. I don't think it's my size.
You might fit it. It says one size fits all. Why do you think I would be bringing up hydrogen peroxide? It's a natural cleanser.
Cleaning.
Yeah. So it does more than just kill germs on your body. It actually also works on countertops, different things, and it's good at getting up some stains and stuff. So if you want a natural cleanser, there you go. Hydrogen peroxide. If you guys ever did this in high school, you can burn it out. Hey Sarah, come here. I got something for you.
Yeah?
You try something? You can do the breath sprays.
You can actually light this on fire. It's kind of cool. I mean,
really?
Science class teaches you a lot.
Science class teaches you?
Yeah.
Should we get that stuff?
Sure.
I think we should do a challenge with that.
Oh boy.
Since this is a cleaning channel and we're about cleaning,
It's probably not good to swallow.
what we can do is see who can handle the most sprays in their mouth.
That
We
sounds
got
like
2
a bad
bottles.
idea.
Come on, it'll be fun. The winner gets to choose their candy.
What candy?
The candy over there. So, what type of candy would you want if you won? You want Twix?
Sure.
Yeah, that's what you want.
Okay.
Alright, so here we go with the challenge. We got these winter, what are they? Breath sprays. So our breath's gonna be really good smelling.
It got in my nose.
Don't get it in your nose, because that would really sting a lot. And so we're gonna see who can do more of these. Okay, you ready? Let's do the first one. Mine didn't work. It worked. Alright, second one. Alright, third one.
You know.
Is that the end of it for you?
I got it on my tongue.
You got it under your tongue? Does it hurt a lot? It got on the side of my mouth and it's like feeling numb now. So, yeah. Okay, so apparently we can't do too many of these. Alright, so here we are. We got the photos from Walgreens. Let's see which ones we've got printed. Ooh, Hedessa's excited. Hedessa got home from school just a few minutes ago. And she's ready. She wants to see them. She says, let me see, let me see. Well, that's one way to open it. It's a white one. Hey, that's you! That's you! What's going on there, Hedessa?
When did I go to Disneyland?
You didn't go to Disneyland. You went to the castle in Vegas.
Hey.
There's 3 of yous. How did that happen, Hedessa? 3 of yous get in there.
I don't know.
You don't know? You just having fun with these photographs over here? Oh boy. Oh, there's Sarah almost smiling. She's got the desert vibe going there. You like the desert vibe, Sarah? Yeah. Well, lots of desert vibes going there. Man, I think she's excited about her desert vibe. She's really feeling it. Hey, who is that behind Jacob? Do you know that person? You? How did you get behind there?
I just did.
Is that yummy? Is your mouth? What's happening, Hedessa?
It's minty and gross. Mine.
Oh, you got, nope, just one, Sarah said.
You were only able to take one spray at a time.
Sarah did 3. Do you want to try 3? Okay.
That's 3 more than you just did. So.
You want to try 3 sprays in your mouth? Let's see what happens. Brum, brum, brum.
Not
Can you
with
do
stuff
it?
in there.
Well, you can do it that way. Let's see how it works. Let's go and try. 1, 2, 3, go! She's not doing it. Someone. Are you okay there, babe? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This is your sister's idea, not mine. You okay, baby? Good.
Done.
Done. Thank you guys for watching. You see the fun of the kids having fun with the spray mist. And also, you got to hear peroxide is a good cleanser for killing germs on the skin and on the household. There's Jacob. He's back.